How to share private YouTube videos. If you've posted a video privately on your YouTube channel, there's still a way to share it with others without making it public on your channel. To do this, first go to youtube.com and select the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down, select YouTube Studio. In the menu on the left-hand side, select the Videos tab. From the list of videos, find the private video that you'd like to share. When you find the video, select it for more details. Your first thought would be to copy the video link provided. However, if you leave your video private and try to share this link with others, they'll be brought to a screen that looks like this one. In order for others to access the video while keeping it private on your channel, you'll need to share it with individual emails. To do this, select the three dots beside the Save button for more options. From the drop-down, select Share Privately. This opens up a new page where you can enter the email addresses that you'd like to share the video with. It's important to note that these should be the email addresses associated with your friend's YouTube account so that they can sign in to view the video. Just enter your email address into the field and select Save and go back to YouTube Studio. And that's how to share a private YouTube video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.